power button, press and hold, it will come on. You'll see battery life, timer, mode, power level. So we use the power button, increase to medium, high, back to low, medium, high. I basically use it on high all of the time. Mode, here, here. This is continuous when it's on the left, pulsed when it's on the right. So we can see, you'll see the laser is pulsing, and then it switches to continuous. I generally use it on continuous all of the time, but there are occasionally reasons to use it on pulsed, but we would discuss those as part of a treatment plan. And then time. It goes in 15-minute increments. General treatment recommendation, once you've got past the first few days of just testing to see how your system responds, the general treatment recommendation is 30 minutes twice a day. Right. And here, press once to start, once to pause, a long hold to turn off, press to turn on, press to activate the screen, it gets brighter, press, it's running. And that's all there is.